Hi traders, this is Forex James and here's an analysis for the upcoming week of May 21st to the 25th. Let's start off with the pound dollar. As you can see in the daily, it's made a big move to the downside. Market is in range. However, we can see in this range that lower lows have continued to be made here, right? Lower, lower, lower. So I have a downside bias for this pair. Right? Should the market um, made a correction to the upside, I would be happy to get into a short trade here. Euro dollar, pretty much the same as the pound dollar. Um, it should fall into a range now. And with lower lows continue to be made. So this descending range here. I'm gonna look for shorts, okay? Dollar CAD somewhat on an uptrend here, uptrend channel. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, I think. See this channel? So I may just stand aside for now. Okay, until I see if anything rises up. Pound CAD. It's not as weak as the pound dollar. Right? This point here failed to make a lower low. Right? You see that? Retraces, tried to make a new low, did not go past this point. So it may make a move to the upside. And we're in a range right now. With that being said, overall bias is still to the downside. Okay. However, I may look for longs as well. Right around here. Okay. Aussie dollar. Price is in the range. This looks more bullish than bearish to me. So at this point here, it's made a new high. So I'm gonna look for longs. Let's move on to the dollar yen. Made some correction here. Price has been rallying pretty hard. There you go. This is a nice line where price may retest to. But overall, buyers to the upside. This looks like it's forming, may possibly form a range like this. Price cannot trend forever. Okay, so I'm gonna look for longs here. There. I may look for shorts as well, depending on the price action that come up. All right, next, dollar franc. This is the next line of support. That's pretty significant. It's sort of downward channel. Let me trade in between these channels here with still an overall bias to the upside, so be aware. Price is having a hard time going to the downside, as you can see with these wicks here. So the bears are coming in, they're moving in, but they're not as strong. Look for shorts up here. And longs right here. Euro Aussie. Price may fall into a range because this is a strong move. It may stop here for a while to regain its momentum and bias to the downside. Euro pound. See, this is an uptrend here, right? High highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. Failed to make a higher high. Made a new low. So watch out. For this area here. Bias to the downside for me next week. Pound Aussie price is continuing to push to the downside here. This is a triangle actually, right? The bears are coming in pretty strong. I'm not sure if it's gonna break right away. If it doesn't, if it bounced up a little bit, I'm gonna look for shorts here. Right there. Pound yen. It's slowly creeping up here. This is not showing any signs of reversal yet. So as of this last move here, its momentum is towards the upside, right? It's not a very strong uptrend, but my bias here for next week is to the upside. Aussie Kiwi. Alright, some correction here. See, this is like the first red candle after probably what, 7 days. So it should fall into a range. We're in a range already. Oh. Yep. It may go down a bit lower, but this is a buy zone for me. When I say buy, I'm gonna look for like at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk trade. I don't look for price to keep going all the way up, right? This is we're already in a buy zone here. So Aussie yen. I think last week I mentioned this bullish candle here. I mean 2 weeks ago, and for this week, price did go up for the most part. I see price going to the upside still. We may stop for a bit here. I'm gonna look for dips here to the upside, right? CAD franc. So the trend is changing here, guys, right? This is a corrective wave, but the next move the bulls made, it did not surpass this point. So it's showing that the bulls are not as eager as this part here, right? See how much move this made compared to just this, right? It shows that the trend may change, or at least fall into a range first. With that being said, this is still a strong move here, as you can see. So I'm still going to be looking for buys here. Keep an eye on this top of the range. Okay. We're already in a buy zone, by the way. Euro yen. Okay, this is a nice bullish candle, but the following two candles are not supportive of this move here. Should price make a deep retracement, it's probably going to make a new low. Right? When you see a bullish move like this and you expected price to just make a quick dip and rise to the upside, but if it doesn't, that means new lows would probably be made. I'm gonna stand aside for now. Let's see what price will do. Okay. Last of all, Kiwi dollar. We're on a weekly channel, weekly range. Price is showing moves to the upside, showing some retaliation here. It's probably in a range for now. I'm gonna look for shorts here. Alright guys, that's the outlook for the upcoming week. Thanks for watching. Hope this analysis helps in your trading. Usually in the middle of the trading week, I like to go back to this analysis and just rewatch whatever I've analyzed for the week. Sometimes in the middle of the week you get lost in trading, right? You may lose your buyers. But I believe that doing this analysis before the week starts is the best practice because it gives you an unbiased view of the charts. Okay? So take care guys, stay safe in your trading.